Welcome back to Dream Car, the place where automotive luxury meets pure performance. Today we are diving into one of the most prestigious SUVs in the world, the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach GLS. This is not just an SUV, it is a moving first-class lounge, built for those who demand excellence in every detail. The 2026 Mercedes-Maybach GLS stands as the ultimate expression of comfort, technology, and power in the full-size luxury SUV segment. From the first glance, its presence is unmistakable. The massive chrome grille with the signature Maybach vertical slats immediately tells you this is something extraordinary. The elegant two-tone paint options, exclusive Maybach wheels, and subtle chrome accents elevate its design to a level few competitors can match. Under the hood, the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach GLS continues to impress. It is powered by a handcrafted 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine paired with ECT Boost mild hybrid technology. This powerhouse delivers around 550 horsepower and over 500 lb-ft of torque, giving this ultra-luxury SUV surprisingly strong acceleration. Despite its size and weight, the GLS moves with confidence and smooth authority. The 9-speed automatic transmission shifts seamlessly, and the 4MATIC all-wheel drive system ensures maximum traction in all road conditions across the United States. But performance is only part of the story. What truly defines the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach GLS is the interior experience. Open the rear door and you enter a private executive lounge. The cabin is wrapped in the finest Nappa leather, genuine wood trims, and metal accents crafted with extreme precision. The rear seats are fully reclining, heated, ventilated, and equipped with massage functions. With just the press of a button, passengers can extend leg rests and enjoy an almost flat bed position. The rear cabin offers airline-style folding tables, a refrigerated compartment for beverages, and advanced ambient lighting that can be customized to match your mood. Dual 12.3-inch digital displays provide entertainment and vehicle controls, while the Burmester high-end 3D surround sound system creates a concert-like audio experience. Whether you are commuting in Los Angeles traffic or heading to a business meeting in New York City, the Maybach GLS turns every ride into a relaxing escape. Technology is another area where the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach GLS shines. The MBUX infotainment system is intuitive and voice-controlled, allowing you to adjust climate settings, navigation, and media effortlessly. The SUV features advanced driver assistance systems including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automated emergency braking. It is designed to make long highway drives safer and less stressful. Ride comfort is enhanced by the e-active body control suspension system. This advanced setup scans the road ahead and adjusts each wheel individually to maintain an incredibly smooth ride. Even on rough surfaces, passengers barely feel imperfections. The cabin remains whisper, quiet thanks to enhanced sound insulation and acoustic glass. On the outside, the Maybach exclusive wheels, illuminated running boards, and subtle Maybach badging add to the premium appeal. Every detail has been carefully engineered to deliver both visual impact and functional excellence. The power soft close doors and hands-free tailgate make daily use effortless. In terms of space, the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach GLS offers generous cargo capacity despite focusing heavily on rear passenger luxury. It remains practical enough for family travel while still providing executive-level comfort. The panoramic sunroof floods the cabin with natural light, making the interior feel even more open and sophisticated. Pricing for the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach GLS is expected to start well above the standard GLS, likely crossing the six-figure mark in the United States. However, for buyers in this segment, it is not just about transportation. It is about exclusivity, craftsmanship, and status. The 2026 Mercedes-Maybach GLS competes with other ultra-luxury SUVs, yet it continues to hold a unique position by blending German engineering with limousine-like comfort. It is built for business leaders, celebrities, and anyone who wants to experience the highest level of SUV luxury. If you are looking for an SUV that combines commanding road presence, powerful performance, world-class technology, and unmatched rear seat comfort, the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach GLS stands at the top of the list. It is not simply a vehicle. It is a statement of success and refinement. Thank you for watching Dream Car. If you enjoy detailed reviews of the world's most luxurious and powerful vehicles, make sure to stay connected for more premium automotive content. The road to excellence continues right here.